This is the bird's Alebrije breakdown. So first we started off with formatting and laser cutting. Carino was mainly responsible for formatting and laser cutting, but I was responsible for finding the templates that we ended up using. Painting the base coats, Carino and Montse each painted one bird. I painted the UV patterns on top, and Montse also painted one of the other birds with UV paint. I assisted Carino with hanging them up, but she glued them to the tree. These were the vector files that we purchased off of Etsy. I will link those below. And we used the laser cutter to cut them out. This is how the base coat ended up looking. And then these were the final UV patterns that Montse and I worked on. And this is a breakdown of the process Carino used to hang up the birds. She attached a string to a cardboard plate, and then she glued it to the base of the tree. And these are the final birds.